Hello, this is Summer 2025 FCSC 4750 Special Problems Company Pros, Cons, Rubrics. My first company that I will be discussing will be Cape Fear Valley Medical Center. Some of the pros are the reputation and service are high performing in key specialties with broad service portfolio. The cons with the reputation and service are safety concerns dealing with the leapfrog, which is they got a grade C, and it has continued for this grade for multiple years. So that is a con. Under the financial operational stability, the pros are a well-funded regional system, and the cons is that the pay and benefits seem to be inadequate by many employees. The patient's loyalty for the pros are primary health care provider with strong community trust, and the cons are high demand strands resources for the staff. As far as the work culture, the pros are good training and growth opportunity, and the cons is a toxic or hostile culture in some of the departments and a high burnout. And lastly is the innovational change. The pros are working with modern systems, and the cons is safety ratings and quality improvement is lagging. My second one is Goodyear Rubber and Tire Company. And the reputation pros are it is a part of a global recognition financially solid company, and the cons is that the manufacturing imaging is less attractive to those seeking modern environments. So it sounds like they need to improve some of their modern environments. Their pay and benefits pros are excellent wages, union backing, and solid benefits and perks, which is true. And the cons are potential stagnation unless overtime is taken. The job security pros are union protected roles, stable demand, and the cons are dependent on manufacturing cycles and seniority structure, which the whole plant is basically based on seniority. Work environment for pros are supportive peer culture, teamwork is strong, and the cons are hot, tough conditions and physically taxing work. Work-life balance is shift swapping possible, generous overtime pay, and the cons are long shifts, irregular schedules. The management culture is union offers some protection, and the cons is that it reports a favoritism and poor leadership. And the innovation pros are lean manufacturing best practice in place, but it's slow. The cons are slow adoption of new technologies and methods. My third selection is Cumberland County Schools. The reputation pros are strong community involvement and support. The cons are challenging and adapting to rapid changes. The service offered pros are comprehensive educational programs and service, but the cons are they have potential gaps in specialized services. Financial stability pros are significant investment from county commissioners, but the cons are concerns about long-term financial sustainability. Consumer loyalty is high level of community trust and support, but the cons are potential for complacency and service delivery. The work culture is supportive environment with professional development opportunity, but the cons are instances of micromanagement and leadership challenges. The career development is opportunities for growth and advancement, but for cons, the variability is an access to development resource. My fourth selection is Fayetteville VA Medical Center. So the reputation pro is part of a respected federal health system, but the cons are it's challenged with public perception due to operational issues. The service offered are a comprehensive range of medical services, but it has limitations in certain specialty areas for the cons. Financial stability is supported by federal funding, but the cons is a potential budget constraints affecting resources allocation. So if it's federal funding that's cut back, then it could possibly cut back some of the resources at the hospital. The work culture, mission-driven environment focused on veteran care, but the cons are management and communication challenges reported by some employees. Career development, opportunity for professional growth and training, but the cons are high workload may limit time for development activities. Innovation is access to federal resources for technology advancements, and the cons is resistance to change may slow implement of new technology. And the last one is City of Fayetteville, Human Resources Development Department. The reputation and the purpose is pros are meaningful public service, mission-driven HR team. But the cons are some roles feel impersonal and low respect. Benefit and compensation, they have really good benefits with overtime opportunities, but the pay, cons is the base pay is only average, which they have room for improvement there. Stability, consistent hours, secure government employment, but didn't necessarily have any cons concerning the job stability. Culture and teams, pros are supportive coworkers, positive team dynamics. But the cons are inclusive and belonging can be improved. And leadership, the leadership pros are the manager who listens, strong HR leadership. But the cons are management quality varies by different teams. And that is my report.